So everybody in our family is Leo, whether it be grandfather, great-grandfather, myself, baby brother, or the newest addition, Leo. It's all the baby boys, they're all Leo. So everybody in our company, when somebody calls to the office, it's going to be greeted by a Leo.
Hello, thank you for calling Pioneer Air. This is Leo.
When you call into the office, you're going to talk to a Leo. And then technicians go out there, and you're going to meet another Leo.
Hi, I'm Leo from Pioneer Air, and I'm here to do your maintenance.
And then the installation team, you're going to see this a Leo.
Hi, Leo. Come on in.
If our sales professionals go out there, you're going to find another Leo.
Thanks, Leo.
So we take pride on the Leo name, and that's why we have Leo in our Pioneer Air family.
Great, no problem. We can have a Leo out there as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a great day.